My name is Mary Payne. I'm 74 years old, and I'm so thankful to be back in my home since the flood of 2016.
There is no fancy cable news name for the disaster in Louisiana, not a superstorm or some play on the word Armageddon. But while much of the country was caught up in Olympics and politics, the state was suffering on a scale rarely experienced.
So the flood occurred in this house as well as where you were living before or while the flood was happening.
Yes, where I was living at, it it did. I was able to get out after trying. They Because I'm in a wheelchair, they tried to get me out with a boat, but I couldn't get in the boat. So they went back and they came back with a high water truck. Well, it was a hassle. It was a hard thing to do, but I had to climb those stairs. I knew that that was the only way that I could get out of there. I couldn't swim out of there, and that was the last, I think, vehicle that was coming through right then. So I climbed it. I climbed up in there, and I got up in there, and I felt like a somebody out of a, I guess, refugee camp that, I had nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. I didn't know at the time the condition of my house or just how much water had gotten into it.
So how much water did get into your house?
Over 4 feet. And it was 4 feet of water. And it was to the point where, um, it was just so full of, when the main thing about it took so long for everybody to communicate with other people and to start the restoration to try and help. And when they did, when they made it to me, my house was molded. It was full of mold and mildew, that everything was lost. Everything.